Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Amarok Armor. First, you need to complete the Such Rock, Very Dog, Wow tasks, which are achievements related to defeating the Amarok boss. You can find these tasks by speaking with Grasslands Gary in World 1. After successfully completing these achievements, you can then purchase the crafting recipes from the World 1 Merit Shop using your collected green ribbons. Once you have the recipes, the next crucial step is gathering the necessary materials. A primary component for every piece of Amarok armor is the Amarok slab. You'll need to defeat the Amarok boss repeatedly to collect enough of these unique drops. Additionally, you will need other common materials such as iron bars, which are mined, and grass leaves, which are dropped by various enemies. With all your recipes unlocked and materials gathered, it's time to craft your new gear. Head to the crafting station and select the Amarok armor recipes you've acquired. Many players find it easiest to start by crafting the Amarok paws or boots, as they often require fewer rare materials. Remember, each piece of armor must be crafted individually to complete your full set. Congratulations on crafting your Amarok armor. This powerful gear offers a significant defense boost, often increasing your character's defense by more than 20 points per piece compared to earlier sets. It is an excellent upgrade for progressing through the early and mid-game content. Equipping the full set will greatly enhance your character's survivability, allowing you to tackle tougher challenges with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.